What if you could earn over 20 times the national average interest rate on your savings without ever stepping foot into a bank? That's exactly what UFB Direct Bank promises with its high-yield savings account. But is it really as good as it sounds? Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons of UFB Direct's high-yield savings account so you can decide if it's the right fit for your financial goals. Let's start with the basics. UFB Direct is an online-only bank, meaning it doesn't have physical branches. Instead, it focuses on delivering competitive interest rates and low fees through its digital platform. Its high-yield savings account, called the UFB Portfolio Savings, is one of its flagship products, offering an annual percentage yield, APY, that's far above the national average. But as with any financial product, there are advantages and disadvantages to consider. Pros of UFB Direct High-Yield Savings. Top-tier interest rate. The most attractive feature of UFB Direct's high-yield savings account is its APY of 4.01%. This rate is significantly higher than what you'd find at traditional banks and even many other online banks. If you're looking to maximize your savings growth, this account delivers one of the best returns available in the market. No monthly fees. UFB Direct doesn't charge any monthly maintenance fees for its high-yield savings account. This means you can keep more of your money working for you without worrying about hidden costs eating into your earnings. No minimum deposit requirement. Unlike many banks that require a hefty initial deposit to open a high-yield savings account, UFB Direct allows you to start saving with as little as $0. This makes it accessible for savers at all levels. ATM access. The UFB Portfolio Savings account comes with a complimentary ATM card, which is a rare perk for a savings account. While not all online banks offer this feature, UFB Direct allows you to withdraw cash from ATMs when needed. FDIC insurance. As an FDIC-insured bank, UFB Direct provides peace of mind by protecting your deposits up to $250,000 per account holder in case of bank failure. Digital convenience. The bank's online platform and mobile app are user-friendly and provide 24/7 access to your account. You can easily check balances, transfer funds, or manage your savings on the go. Cons of UFB Direct High-Yield Savings. Online-only banking. While digital convenience is a pro for some, it can be a drawback for others who prefer in-person banking services. With no physical branches, all transactions must be done online or through ATMs. Limited cash deposit options. If you need to deposit cash frequently, this account might not be ideal. Cash deposits are only possible through select ATMs that accept cash deposits, which can be inconvenient depending on your location. No CD options. Unlike some competitors, UFB Direct does not offer certificates of deposit, CDs. If you're looking for long-term savings options with fixed rates, you'll need to look elsewhere. APY management. One unique quirk of UFB Direct is that it frequently introduces new accounts with updated APYs. If a newer product offers a better rate than your current account, you'll need to call customer service to request an upgrade. This extra step can be inconvenient for customers who want their accounts automatically updated to reflect the best rates available. Money market account fees. While the high-yield savings account has no fees, UFB Direct's money market accounts come with a $10 monthly fee if your balance falls below $5,000. This could be limiting if you're considering pairing your savings account with other products from the same bank. Transfer delays. As with many online banks, transferring funds between UFB Direct and external accounts can take several business days. This delay might not be ideal if you need quick access to your money in an emergency. Who is UFB Direct best for? UFB Direct's high-yield savings account is an excellent choice for those who prioritize earning high interest rates and don't mind conducting all their banking online. It's particularly appealing for savers who want a competitive APY without monthly fees, the flexibility to start saving without any minimum deposit, a digital-first experience with easy access through mobile apps and online platforms. However, it may not be the best fit for individuals who frequently handle cash deposits or prefer in-person banking services. Additionally, if you're someone who likes having all your financial products like CDs or robust checking accounts under one roof, UFB Direct's limited offerings might feel restrictive. UFB Direct Bank's high-yield savings account stands out for its exceptional APY and fee-free structure, making it one of the top options in the online banking space today. However, its limitations, such as no physical branches and limited cash deposit options, mean it won't work for everyone. So now that we've laid out both sides of the coin, is UFB Direct's high-yield savings account right for you? That depends on what matters most in your banking experience, whether it's maximizing interest rates or having access to a full suite of financial products. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.